Achoo! Achoo! Thank you. This is, oh my god, like this is like the second time I sneezed today. What's wrong with me? Achoo! What's wrong with me? Achoo! This feeling's weird. I think it's bad. Hey, what's this clip doing in my hair? Weird. I can't get off. What should I do? Get off me. God, it's stuck on me. I'm just gonna go take a nap. Oh, hey, I'm back. And guess what's happened? Alex just got pranked. She got pranked just because she pissed me on the bed, and that's what she gets. I gave her disease. She'll sneeze. And there's only one way for her to get out. It's crazy dance. And she'll never find it out. Will she? Or will she not? Oh, things still my hair. Oh, okay, I better get some rest. What happened to my hair? My hair's so long. It's pink. I'm wearing Dracula's hair. Weird. No, can't get out. Weird. I might want to call a doctor for this. Ugh, my job is done for the day. Time to sleep. My phone. Hello? Uh-huh. Me to come have a serious disease? I'll be there in a second. Yes, what? You said you have hair that's different? Never thought of that. Well, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna see you in a second, okay? Bye. No, my job's not done for the day. Okay, so what seems to be the problem, Missy? I don't know, my hair is all different. It's weird. Okay, let's see your temperature. Here. Thank you. Achoo! 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 Whoa! Oh my god. Your temperature is very high. I never saw this before. I don't want to catch it either. Take the thermometer. I don't want it anymore. I just touched it. Bye. No, you're my only hope. I just lost her. She came out. Now what to do? Haha. I'm gonna search this up. She left her phone. Oh. Just left her phone. Weird. Someone just texted her. I got a patient. So sad. So sad. So sad. Use your phone for everything. Okay. Search up on her phone.